This next article from the Daily Mail, mother, 35, who murdered 2 sons with incestuous half-brother, was deemed a loving parent. Incestuous couple Sarah Brass, 35, and her half-brother Brandon Machin, 39, were jailed for life last year for the murder of Tristan Brass, 13, and his late brother Blake, 14, at their home in Sheffield. Wow, whew. Boy, this is a fucked up family over here, man. Damn. So where was this at? Shedfield, which is where? Is that like England? Yeah. Okay. Oh, so that's why they're so fucked up. They're from Britain. Right. South Yorkshire. That's why they're so incestuous. Same reason why they got such fucked up teeth. Joking. But woo, do we have any pictures of these ones? Here they are. Especially here's the victims. That sucks. Murder. Wow. Wow, that takes a special detestable scum. A review has found that social services had no chance to stop the killings. Brass was deemed a loving mother by social services before the murders. Well, yeah, I mean, what do you know any piece of shit scumbags that are gonna come up to you and say, "Hey, I'm a piece of shit scumbag. I'm gonna murder people." Yeah. It's kind of much ado about nothing. I mean, of course, there not many people who knew like many mass shooters would have told you that. I think most people who knew mass shooters are like, whoa, that guy did that. I mean, some of them are like, okay, I'm not surprised that guy did a mass shooting. But most of them are like the guy flipped.